All right, going to be taking a look at FDBL. I don't know where you guys been. You guys been sleeping or what? But this one was brought to us over here on investorshangout.com/live right over here. Look at that. Bam. Put this one on technical analysis alert at 0012. Watch for a close above 0013. This will then go on technical analysis alert. You guys didn't get that close at or above 0013, but you guys did gap up 0013 now. And then you guys hit that high at 0015. Now, that's not a massive gain off of 0012 call. That is not a massive gain by a long shot. But you guys are starting to come off of that bottom. However, there is a gap down here, and I have to mention that gap. As always, I do because I watch them down here at the bottom. However, if that volume comes in enough, you might not even look back at that gap. That's just usually how these work down here at the bottom with these gaps. They fill. You've got an upper wick and a lower wick fill. I would call that a partial fill. I personally look for a full body fill where it would close at 0012 to confirm. Now you guys are at 0014. Bringing it down to close at 0012 wouldn't be necessarily good because then you would break that first level of resistance. But I'm going to watch this one because that volume is starting to pick up. And there's a good possibility that this thing can turn around and really start running off of the current levels. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to mark down that you guys have that gap now. So that technical analysis alert kind of got shot there coming off of that with that gap. All right, with that gap up that you guys had yesterday. So 0014. Also a gap. 0012 and 13. That resistance level now is going to be moved up to the 15 area. I'm trying to get a better idea. Looks like 17 might follow up. That's going to be probably a bigger one. So those are pretty close together at this point. Support. You guys have that support coming in here at that 30-day simple moving average, which is 0012. Yeah, so there's a very good chance that could fill. We're going to be watching this word. I mean, like I said, FDBL is another one that I've followed a long time, but you guys are the ones that keep bringing this to us, and this is why we keep looking at these stocks. I would watch this one. Watch, this could start running, but there's also a gap now. I mean, I put it on technical analysis alert right here. You guys had a move off of that, but you guys also got a gap. But watch, this could start moving. And resistance at 0015 and 17, support at 0012. Parabolic SAR did flip over, putting it in that bullish territory. Right here, you guys can see that little dot. So that did flip over as well, putting the chart in a bullish standpoint. FDBL, if you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe to stay updated with this hot stock and all the others that we cover. And if you can get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks and different stock message boards, we would appreciate it, because the more you share it, the more it's requested and the more that we cover it. That is how it works. If you have a hot stock that you'd like to share with us as well, to have us take a look at, let us know over on investorshangout.com/live.